Yo, what's up? So I'm out here at Charlotte Motor Speedway for the fall auto fair. I haven't been out here probably about 4 or 5 years. So with everything going on with the COVID and stuff, it looks like it's definitely not as many people as it used to be. But I'm gonna see if we can get some good footage out here, man. It's always a good time. And y'all know why we here. We here for the car, the real star. Let's check it out. Yes, sir. So a quick recap of fall Charlotte Motor Speedway Auto Fair. It was a good event. I mean, anytime you're around nice cars, it's going to be a great event. I definitely can tell that COVID probably played a big issue in the participation, because even though I haven't been there in some years, this was my first time going back in a while, there wasn't many people there. Outside of that, it was great. It was great, man. Still was able to see some cool cars, able to connect with a few people. I'm upset that I wasn't able to get any interviews for you all. I wasn't able to lock down any interviews of people talking about their cars while I was there. But I'm working behind the scenes, and I'm setting up some things for some interviews coming up soon. So you can get to know the car, you get to know the person. You got to see the people in the Hellcats. I got some type of driving experience, but you really just sitting in the passenger seat and in the back seat and doing donuts, man. I sat out there and watched them do the same thing over and over and over. It would probably still be there watching it now if I didn't have anything else to do. But I had to leave, man, and just hearing the engine, smell of the burnt rubber, burnt rubber on the asphalt, it's cool. Y'all, I'm about to get up out of here. Hey, appreciate you all watching. Feel free to subscribe, comment below, share some of your stories about your cars, your old schools, or whatever it may be. But I'm out of here. Have a good one, all right? Be safe. Peace.